Listen to me. If you are retired, or you are getting ready to hand in your notice and step into the golden years of your life, you need to pay attention, because today we are talking about your money. We are talking about your hard-earned financial security, and a question that I know has been popping up on your radar: does eToro have a crypto wallet? Now, why are you asking this question? You're asking because you are smart, but you are also afraid. Let's be honest about it. You see the headlines, you hear about Bitcoin and Ethereum, and you see your kids or your grandkids making money, or losing it, and you feel that classic fear of missing out. But worse than that, you feel the fear of the unknown. You're afraid that if you don't get involved, inflation is going to eat away at your retirement nest egg. But you're also terrified that if you do dip your toes into crypto, some hacker in a basement halfway across the world is going to steal your digital coins. Or you'll click the wrong button and watch your money vanish into thin air. You've spent 40 years building up your nest egg. You cannot afford to lose it now. You are in the protection phase of your financial life, not the reckless speculation phase. So you look at a platform like eToro. It looks safe, it looks established, it's regulated. And you ask, does it have a crypto wallet? Here is the straight, unfiltered truth. Yes, eToro does have a crypto wallet, and it is called the eToro Money Crypto Wallet. But before you go running off to download it, you need to understand exactly what it is, how it works, and whether it actually serves your financial goals at this stage in your life. When you buy cryptocurrency directly on the main eToro trading platform, you don't automatically have full control over those digital coins. They are held by eToro on your behalf in what we call custodial storage. For many retirees, that's actually comfortable. It feels like a traditional brokerage. But if you want to actually own those coins, if you want to send them to your kids, or move them off the platform to a private digital vault, that is where the separate eToro Money app and its crypto wallet come into play. The problem is, moving your crypto from the eToro trading platform into that eToro Money wallet is not as simple as clicking a button, and it is certainly not free. eToro charges you a fee just to transfer your coins from the trading platform into the wallet. We are talking about a 2% fee per transaction, with a minimum fee and a maximum fee that can catch you off guard if you aren't reading the fine print. And here is the kicker, the absolute trap that I need you to avoid: it is a one-way street. Once you transfer your cryptocurrency from the eToro trading platform into the eToro Money wallet, you cannot send it back. Let me repeat that because your financial future depends on you hearing this. You cannot move the crypto back to your trading platform to trade it standardly. If you want to cash out later from the wallet, you have to sell it within the wallet app, which triggers another set of fees, ranging from 0.6% to 1% depending on your account status. Are you listening to me? Every single time you move your money around in the crypto world, someone is scraping a percentage off the top. When you are retired, fees are the silent killer of your wealth. You don't have a bi-weekly paycheck coming in anymore to replace the money lost to fees. Every dollar matters. Let's address the fear of security. The eToro Money wallet handles all the complicated technical stuff for you, things like private keys and long recovery phrases that scare the living daylights out of beginners. You use your normal eToro username and password. To a lot of people entering retirement, that sounds wonderful. It sounds easy. But I want you to realize that convenience always comes with a cost. If eToro holds the ultimate keys to the vault, you are relying entirely on their platform stability and their security compliance. So what is your actionable takeaway today? How do you protect yourself while still making smart decisions? First, ask yourself why you are buying cryptocurrency. If you are buying it just to speculate on the price, hoping it goes up so you can sell it for good old-fashioned cash to fund your retirement travels, you do not need the eToro Money crypto wallet. Leave the coins on the main eToro platform. Don't incur the 2% transfer fee to move it to the wallet just because you think you're supposed to. Keep it simple, keep your costs low, and avoid the one-way street trap. Second, if you do decide that you want true ownership of your crypto, maybe you want to hold it long-term outside of any brokerage, or you want to give Bitcoin to your grandchildren as a legacy gift, then yes, download the eToro Money app, log in with your credentials, and carefully transfer only what you intend to move permanently. But do the math first. Make sure the minimum withdrawal limits and the network fees don't consume a massive chunk of your investment. Third, and most importantly, remember the golden rule of retirement investing: never, ever put money into something you do not fully understand, and never invest money you cannot afford to lose tomorrow. Cryptocurrency is volatile. It can drop 20% while you are asleep. If you are over the age of 60, crypto should never represent more than a tiny, single-digit percentage of your total investment portfolio. A small slice of mad money that won't change your standard of living if it goes to zero. You have worked too hard, for too many years, to let confusion or fear dictate your financial choices. The eToro crypto wallet exists. It is a functional tool, but you must use it with your eyes wide open to the fees and the restrictions. Be smart with your money, be protective of your wealth, and stay safe.